Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on your name and come to your profile here. Then you go above this sign, click on it, and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you here. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on advertising data and come to this list here. You go down, you come here to audience insights for websites you visit, click on it, and you come here to use visited website data. Click in this sign that, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.